Sir, can you please give me your phone number? Hello, sir.
I am not a man.
I don't understand, sir. Please, can you...
I'm not a man.
I'm sorry, sir.
Can I speak to someone else, please?
Sir, I'm here.
Can I speak to someone else, please?
And now back to Bird versus the World. Today on Bird vs. World, we take a regular old baby goat and we face him against the mighty, the majestic, the noble hawk, baby. Ha! Don't miss the action on this latest edition of Bird vs. World.
Oh la la la, little baby goat, la 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 la, goat family, everything's so great.
Ooh. Oh, here we go. What do we got down here? Ah, shit. Yeah, I'm on this. Come here, you mine. Get your ass over here. Oh, no, help, no. Get your ass over here. Get it. No. Come on. We out of here, motherfucker. Oh. And that's one for the bird. No. Join us next time as we put this eagle up against this homeless man we found on the metro. Only on the next Bird vs. World.